Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today we will be doing a protective style on a client. I am just using my Joico moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. No steam treatment today, no deep conditioner, just a regular wash and condition. And then we are going to be doing 6 stitch braids, locking in that moisture. You're going to see me using a little hair grease to seal in those ends. Perfect way to not only lubricate the hair, but to seal in moisture and hydration. I'm also going to be making like some little buns, but if you did not know, I'm trying to steer clear of braiding it into my client's hair. But what I did was something that black women and women of color with curly hair have been doing for such a long time. I put the braiding hair on a rubber band, did a braid a little bit thicker in diameter than her natural braid, and added that to her ponytails just to give her bun some fullness. It is not going to cause any unnecessary damage or dryness. She'll be able to take it out and sleep for comfort. Love this. This is such a great little hack for you girls out there who don't want to or don't know how to braiding hair into your hair. This is perfect and so easy. Put it on a rubber band and it is going to give you your desired look. You can do this exact same thing whether you're doing 2 buns, 1 bun, or even a braided ponytail. Especially if your hair is on the shorter side, you can do a thick braid, put it on a rubber band, put the rubber band on your ponytail and kind of like cover up your little bun. For leave-ins today, I'm going to be using my Amika the Wizard and my Miracle Milk. So those are my 2 go-to leave-ins all the time. I have a heat protectant, a detangler, and hydration. That's all I need for most styles, especially a natural style like this. I'm going to section her off, and then we're going to get to blow drying her. I'm going to detangle, of course, and once she's blow dried, I'm just going to start kind of like mapping out how I want these braids to go. I'm doing like a crisscrossy design. It was very fun to do. It wasn't really high stress to me. The most stressful styles are ones that need like a middle part and very strategic parting and stuff like that. This one was very easy. I was kind of just going with the flow, and at the end you're going to hear how much she loved the style, I love the style, and hopefully this style can get me more natural hair clients and give my current clients some ideas about how they can style their hair that's not knotless braids, that's not Sinhalese twist, or these, I don't even know what's popular right now, faux locks, I don't even know. But I'm just trying to give women a different idea of how they can envision their hair. And I know, of course, a lot of people are not starting from my client's point right now. Her hair is flourishing, it's very long, but this style can be achieved on various lengths. As long as you have enough hair to braid down, you can achieve the style because of that braiding hair rubber band hack. You can get something similar to this. So I'm just trying to give you guys some different ideas for the summer, something that's not braid, something that's not heavy, and something that can be taken down in about 3 weeks. Okay, and you can start over, wash your hair again, and maybe do it again, and give yourself another little protective style period. But I think right now is the time where women need to just shorten their protective style periods and get to washing their hair. Most of the issues that come sit in my chair are stemming from people not hydrating their hair enough. They're not cleansing it enough, and it's causing them to have issues that's stressing them out and wanting them to cover up their beautiful hair. They're not learning how to deal with their curls. They're not learning how to retain length. So I think the key, especially in my area right now, is finding protective styles that's going to last, but to be kept in for a shorter period of time. Styles that are not being left in for months upon months on months, but still cute. Like a lot of black women and women with curls find certain protective styles childish, and which that's a whole nother conversation. But I just want to show, grown, mature women that these styles don't have to be childish. It's about finding a style that not only fits your face, fits your hair length, but also fits your job, your career, your lifestyle while still looking mature. All of that is possible. And I think I want to start a little series here on this channel showing you guys some different styles that you can do that is, low stress, low maintenance, but is protective. You're keeping your hair hydrated and is not being kept in forever. This is something that is also would be good for kids. I know a lot of people are struggling with age appropriate styles for their children. Now, grown women don't want to look childish, but I fear that a lot of children's styles are looking too mature. And it's not, we don't want to get into the debate of what's too mature and what's looking grown. I don't need to get into all that, but certain styles are too mature in a way of these babies still have baby hair. Their hair is not strong enough to have this braiding hair being braided into their hair, this plastic, and their hair being dipped and all that. You can do wonderful styles with your child's natural hair. And that's something I would love to explore too, give you guys some ideas. It's all about giving you guys inspiration and just knowing that there's something out there that you can do at home. Because if you don't want to braid your hair, this style could also have been done with flat twists, especially if your hair is on the longer side. This style would look great with some twists. Everything is accessible. It's all about finding the best way and the easiest way for you to achieve it, especially if you are doing it yourself at home and you're not going to a stylist and you don't have a good natural stylist or an affordable natural stylist in your area. I want to give you guys some ideas of styles you can do at home. As you can see, I'm not using any products that's too expensive or anything that's unattainable. If you can't afford the Joico, get Cream of Nature. I love the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. It's great for at-home use. It's great to keep your hair hydrated at all times. You're using that. And you don't even have to use a edge control to braid hair. You can use grease. Like back in the day, people weren't using all these jams and gels. Use what you have, but prioritize moisture, hydration, and keeping the hair hydrated. You want to maintain that, because that's the whole point of a protective style. If you're doing this style and it's purely for looks and you're purely just trying to achieve something that's going to be aesthetically pleasing, you're missing the point of a protective style and you're ultimately harming your hair. I think it's really time to put our hair first. Put the health of your hair above the length, above cute styles, and really locking in this summer, and especially before we get to silk press season, because once we get to the silk presses, everybody wants their hair to be flowing, dirty, flirty, and thriving, but they didn't do their homework. They didn't prepare, to have their hair straightened. Straightened hair and perfect silk press comes from proper hydration. It comes from your at-home maintenance. So there's a lot that goes into it, and I feel like I want to utilize my channel to deep dive into healthy hair more than just styling, more than just making it look cute, making it look fancy. I want to share with the products that are essential to healthy hair and that can really help you. All products are a help. None of them are a necessity, but I'm about advocating for products that can help you along your journey. So hopefully we get some good videos out for you guys this summer. I definitely want to do some more product reviews because I know you guys really like that. More is definitely on the way. My salon centric has actually been kind of low on certain products I want to try. I know I'm kind of behind on my new product alerts, like me reading through the books and everything, but that's just because life has been kind of hectic. Different things have been going on, of course, in my life, and it's just prevented me from really sitting down in front of the camera. But I'm so glad I was able to shoot this content and get this video out for you guys. One thing that'll really help with at-home styling is getting yourself some wrap papers. It's going to help with flyaways. You can use them when the style is fresh, but you can also use them once the style is getting a little bit old. Put some mousse on your hands, rub it through your hair, and it's going to tame those flyaways. So right here you see me making that little extra braid to add to her buns, and I just looped it through the rubber band. And you can also use a scrunchie. If you use a scrunchie, it's actually going to be a little bit more sturdier because it can't pop. But I'm just braiding that down, and I actually had to redo this braid because this was actually too thick. It can be even thinner than this. You just want it like a little bit denser, or even the exact same density as your braid, because the fact that it's longer than your hair, you're going to get a bigger bun. So as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than what I was showing, but I'm just going to tie it onto her hair like it's just a regular ponytail holder. And then we're going to wrap these buns and use another rubber band to secure her buns. And it's just that easy. It's not hard to do at all, and it's easy for her to take on and take off when she is ready to switch up the style, or if she's ready to go to sleep. So this is something that can be done for your kids, because I know a lot of kids also like to have length, but you do not have to braid the ponytails and stuff and the braids but you don't have to braid hair into the hair for them to achieve certain looks. So I think this style came out so cute. This is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Continue to watch until the end. Leave me a comment down below so I can know your thoughts. Let me know how you're feeling, and let me know, would you try out this style? I enjoyed talking to you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
It's cute.
So this is just like some ponytails, whatever. So if it bothers you when you sleep, you can take it down. And like you said, I know your cousin braid, so she can probably just fix the buns whenever you need it. Also, you can also put it in one ponytail too. If you want to take it down and put it in one ponytail, okay, that works too. But I know, like I said, this should give you like at least 3 weeks. I know you tie your hair down, so tie it down. Yeah. If 2 buns get on your nerve, just have her put it in one. You can do 1 bun. She can combine it and put it in a braid ponytail. Okay. So either one, I think it's so cute. So
I think it is cute too.
So like I said, what I'm trying to do, I'm really trying to promote more natural styles, not so much braided hair added in. But like I said, I have so much hair left over. I like that I could add the braid, but not braid it in. So it's a little bit more protective. It's not the plastic, you know, being braided into your hair. Yeah. So I think this is cute.
This is cute.
Yes. You know, because I'm trying to just get more pictures of styles like this. Because a lot of the times the clients that I have, they need inspiration. Like a lot of my clients are a little bit older and they just can't envision certain styles on themselves. But I'm like, okay, I need some pictures, some visuals. Let me find the styles, because they be like, I don't know if that look good on me. Like they never really know what look good on them. And like people can only imagine like knowledge braids or loose stuff. I'm like, okay, there's different protective styles you can do. And like I said, you working, your hair is up, it's out the way, it's hydrated, like you're good to go. All you gotta do is tie down or your scalp. Right. So